Hey guys, it's me, Galaxy Girl, and today I'm making a video, and all of these people are my friends from real life. Literally my neighbors. And this is not a VIP server, we just all joined. Okay. Guys, I started the YT vid. Say hello. Anyway, we're playing Bee Swarm Simulator. It's been a while since I've made a video, right? And I found a treat. There's been some updates to Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay, and my friend just said, okay, sup YT. And I just got another tree. Okay. And we are going to be doing a video on just random things about this game. Why am I getting so many treats? Am I glitching or something? Like, and these are two of my friends. Right there. Hello. And the person who's the best at this game is Despos right here. Second best is me. Third best, Shadow20140. And last but not least is Cute Lola, even though she's at the top of the leaderboard for this server. And that, my friend, is only because we wasted all our money. So yeah. So much honey. A treat, a wonderful treat. So, finally I have 25 bees in my hive, and I have 3 legendaries. And so does this guy. He has 3 legendaries. But he has 1 more bee than me. Just 1 more. Could you believe it? Okay, I'm gonna make some honey here. Let me see my quest. And he is going to the tunnel bear. We are all going to the tunnel bear together to defeat that rascal thing. The tunnel bear is so annoying though. Okay, I'm jumping up. Oh shame, the 15 area is that way. Yes, Hasty Bee, you're level 4. Yes! Anyway. We're going up. Going up. Anyway. Yes! My other friend has joined! Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. A circle full of friends. Okay, we're going. Going to the top. We're going to Tunnel Bear. Okay. Oh my gosh. The ninja bee is a legendary, a blue legendary, a ninja legendary. So I am sure that bees, we have to do this. What the hell? What the? No, but that is actually not fair. Anyway, I almost have the same amount as Cute Lola. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my challenge is that I have to collect loads and loads and loads of pollen. Stuff like that. Okay, there's a little bit of conversation in the chat. Let's read. Maybe. Wow, my bees are producing so many tokens, like the Looker Bee, Commander Bee. Oh my god. And can you believe it, guys? The whole server is my friend. The whole of this server are my friends. Anyway. So promises anyway. So they're saying Despot is talking that my video is still on. That's all he can think about. Not even know the conversation is here. So yeah, my friends are really weird. And if the video ends unexpectedly, like when I'm finishing a word, then sorry, but I can only make videos for 15 minutes, so it just stops automatically. I'm running. Anyway, yep, I got that. So yeah, running round and round and round and round and round. Run, 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 okay, so collect. Mom, put the radio on. Lol. Anyway, have I collected it? Oh, 375,000. That should be easy. Deontay, I got you the honeybee, by the way. Oh my god. Honey! Ah! Okay, just run. This whole field is to myself, bro. Run.